What's up guys? Chickboy Dolotina in the house. For today's video, lalagyan ko ng protection pack which is a transparent case cover at saka screen protector yung bagong bili ko na iPhone 11. Kung sino sa inyo hindi pa nakapanood ng unboxing ko sa iPhone 11, lalagay ko yung link sa description below. Okay. So let's start. Nabili ko to Energizer protection pack sa halagang 99 dirhams. Maganda siya guys kasi package na siya, which is may case tsaka may screen protector, tapos anti-scratch siya, 100% response, and then ano ba to? Anti-fingerprint. So FYI lang, hindi to sponsor ng Energizer. Pero Energizer, baka naman, pwede po akong tatanggap.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
So let's open guys. Grabe yung seal niya guys. Kasi sirain ko na lang yung box. Sa loob niya, wala box. Empty box. Sa loob niya, ito, case. Pero may sulat na Energizer. Baka pwede itong tanggalin. Tsaka ito yung screen protector niya. Ito yung mga cloth, special cloth. Let's start. Alright guys, start na tayo. So first natin i-install yung screen protector. Pero una sa lahat, lilinisin muna natin yung iPhone 11 natin gamit itong provided na cleaning kit. So here is sa loob may cloth, gray, alcohol prep pad, tsaka dust absorber, tsaka guide sticker. So sabi dito sa instruction, first is ito alcohol prep pad. Next is dry wipe. Third step, microfiber cloth. Ito. Next, remove the transparent protective plastic on the glass before applying, and then align the glass to your device with the cutouts and edges as a guide. Ilalagay na natin yung screen protector or tempered glass. remove natin yung transparent plastic. Tapos, align to the iPhone 11. Done. So there you have it. Perfect, guys. Next, lalagyan na natin to transparent case. Check natin yung mga buttons kung nagpa-function ba. Lock, volume, up, down. Okay. Maganda dito guys, ito air cushion technology. So if in case mahulog, safe na safe yung phone mo. I like it. I like it. So there you have it, guys. Nalagay ko na yung case tsaka screen protector. So if you like this video, click thumbs up, like, click subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for more updates. See you for my next vlog. Peace.